Hello guys, I'm back with another video on PySpark. In this video, we will learn about how to write the case conditions in PySpark data frames. Do like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Before going into the actual content, I just want to explain about my VaultIQ blog where I started writing about different programming languages and frameworks. For example, I have started writing about few PySpark and Scala Spark, Hive, and few of the AWS stuff also, and Python. So if you are concentrated more about Spark, just type Spark here and you would be getting many posts here how to create a Spark session. So it could help more for the beginners also, how to create a temporary table, how to read a CSV file and convert the Python list into data frame, rename the columns and dropping the columns, how to connect with the JDBC and all. I hope it will be helpful. Let's go into the actual thing which we want to have an case statement on top of our data frames. So I have a CSV file which has a worker data set, and I have just previewed the data out of my data frame with ID, name, address and age as a 4 columns and giving the respective data. And here I want to do an case condition on top of the age and create a new column as an promotional underscore eligibility. For example, if an age is greater than or equal to 32, then I want to assign a value as yes to the promotional eligibility, and if he is less than age of 32, then I want to assign it as no. So let's see how we are going to do that. So let me take the data frame df and with column, and I'm going to copy the same column name which I want to create into the with column. So with column is a syntax which help us to create a new column to the existing data frame. Now I'm going to write a when condition here, when call, and I'm going to add which column I want to have a condition upon, and age is greater than or equal to 32. So it means that it would be more similar to if SQL if you read it properly. So it's like an case when column is a column of age is greater than or equal to 32, then I want to assign a value using the literal function in the PySpark or Spark, and the value I'm going to assign it as yes. And if the condition is not met and he is less than age of 32, then I want to assign it the value as an array word as no. So I need to use an otherwise here and take the same literal again and put as no. And now I'm going to before that I just want to explain about the two things which I used here when compared to my previous videos, which is when is an a library which I download used from the module PySpark.sql.functions, and call is another one which is referring to a particular column in a data frame, and lit is for the literal. And let me preview the data out of it, how it looks. So this is how data will be previewed for us using the show statement. It is one of the action in our data frames. Okay, so we got the resultant data frame with a new column as promotional underscore eligibility with the values in each of the column as no when the age is less than 32 and equal to 32 as yes, 30 is greater than 32 and it's because then it is assigned as yes, and 28 is less than, so no, 33 is greater than, so yes. So this is how we can assign the values into a new column based upon the conditions we apply on existing columns. And I will just show you how to create the same thing in and assign into another data frame. So I have a data frame as df, right? So I will be assigning df1, assigning it to df1. I have to remove the show statement here. So this is my new data frame with the new column df1 dot show, and it's going to preview with the data. It's going to run the Spark code now, and we should be able to see the same data which we got earlier just few seconds back. Yeah, two no statements and three yes statements. So this is how we can write the when conditions using it. So this is kind of an if and else. So there could be another scenarios where we want to write an if, else if, and at the end we can write else. So I would be explaining about that in my next videos. I hope this will be helpful for you till now. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.